This video showcases the unboxing process of the Tamsong Technology AI Mobile DVR. The first part shows the outer packaging of the product and its accessories. While the second part shows the process of unboxing and accessories. This model supports both SD cards and 4G network cards, and supports up to 8-channel HD video input. Its powerful integration capabilities include multiple AI recognition functions. Next, the included wiring harness is unpacked. Various cameras and accessories are displayed here. Next, we quickly connect and light up the device. Turn on the power screen lights up. At this point, we can smoothly click on the screen to switch perspectives. Can log in by entering your default ID and password. Here's the video playback. All the storage goes here. All settings are operated here, including parameter management, function settings, network settings, and device settings information. For more details on configuration and connection, please refer to our manual.